Hi, welcome to your own YouTube channel, TheAutoVerse. Today we're diving into the 2025 Citroen 2CV Sahara, an homage to the legendary original but with modern upgrades that bring it into the 21st century. The 2025 Citroen 2CV Sahara keeps the spirit of the classic off-roader alive, blending nostalgic design elements with innovative technology. On the outside, it features the iconic rounded body shape with charming, vintage-styled headlights that pay tribute to the original. However, it's updated with advanced LED lighting and slightly more aerodynamic lines. Citroën has added off-road enhancements, such as rugged bumpers, raised ground clearance, and skid plates, making it not only stylish but also ready for adventure. Under the hood, this reborn 2CV Sahara packs a punch. Instead of the original dual-engine setup, the 2025 version comes equipped with a hybrid powertrain that combines a small, yet efficient petrol engine with an electric motor. This delivers a perfect balance of power and eco-friendliness, making it capable both on and off-road. The all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip on various terrains, from city streets to sandy trails. It's built for adventurers who want to explore beyond the pavement while staying conscious of fuel efficiency. The interior embraces the minimalist charm of the classic 2CV but introduces all the comforts of modern driving. There's a digital instrument panel that keeps you informed while maintaining a clean, simple look. The infotainment system is neatly integrated and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to stay connected while on the go. Durable, weather-resistant materials are used throughout the cabin, ideal for those who like to take their vehicle into the great outdoors. The seats are comfortable and designed to handle rugged conditions, while foldable rear seating allows for extra cargo space. In terms of safety, Citroën has equipped the 2025 2CV Sahara with modern features, including adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a suite of off-road driving aids like hill descent control. The retro-modern vibe extends to the details with design touches reminiscent of the past, like a manual-style roof mechanism that can be rolled back for open-air drives. Driving the 2025 Citroen 2CV Sahara is a delight for anyone who loves adventure and history. It offers a unique blend of nostalgia and contemporary capability, making it perfect for road trips and off-the-beaten-path explorations. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe to the TheAutoVerse. We'll see you in the next video.